Hi, hello, buongiorno. My name is Silvia and welcome to my channel where I talk about all my knit projects. For this video I want to show you some of my favorite pieces I made and how I styled them. And the spring is here, the sun is out, so let's wear some things for spring. And maybe this is the last time I will be able to wear my sweaters and my wool clothes before the summer. Let's enjoy some styling, and I don't know, I think it will be a nice exercise for me to try some things that I don't usually wear, but that are still in my closet. And yeah, don't wear always the same things, but try out some new mix and match outfits. Yeah, but first, thank you to Luisa for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for some cute and high quality jewelry pieces at an affordable price, I recommend Luisa. Their design range from minimal to some classy ones, so there is something for anybody. And I love their missions and beliefs. They are 100% carbon and water neutral, and they use recycled materials. Let me show you what I got. The first thing they sent me is this necklace. This is the Zoe necklace. Obviously, I went for the flower and plant one. And then I have these earrings, these simple earrings. And I really like them. They're so simple and I can wear them every day. And then I have this little bracelet. I love this kind of bracelets. They're so tiny and simple, and I can wear them every day. And yeah, they can go with everything I wear. Right now they're having their Mother's Day sale, so if you buy one, you can get one with 40% off. Their products are nickel-free and hypoallergenic, so my mom can wear them too. And I love that they arrive with this little bag, so yeah, I can put them here when I'm not wearing them, and yeah, I don't lose them. And if you want to try Ana Luisa and their products, use the link in the description down below. For the Mother's Day sale, buy one and get one with 40% off. This is the first outfit, and it's a super casual one. This is my Lille cardigan, and it's my new design. And I love pairing it with some high-waisted jeans and my black belt. And yeah, I wear this a lot, and it's really simple. I can wear it wherever I go. And I have these flared pants, and I think it's super cute, and the color is perfect for spring. So yeah, it makes me really happy. This is the second outfit, and still casual, but maybe a little more classy. Another color for spring. I really like it with a white t-shirt underneath, and super easy way to feel more put together with simple clothes. This is my Peony sweater, the plain one without the cables, and I made it with this beautiful yellow color. And yeah, I have another idea for this sweater, so let me change. I have this really cute midi skirt, red skirt, and I don't know. I think it's cute, but let me know if you like it. I'm not really wearing this type of things usually, but I don't know. The colors are really cute, and I love this skirt. And yeah, I think maybe for an aperitivo or something like that, it's a super simple, maybe a Sunday evening. Uh, yeah, it's super cute. I think I will wear this outfit. Yeah, I like this. And then for my other Peony sweater, I have these shirts that I love. They're super comfortable, and yeah, I like wearing these Peony sweater with this ribbed uh, tank top, and I love the contrast with this rose color and the black. And yeah, this is something more like something that I wear more often, and I like this. This is how I usually wear, and yeah, you can maybe wear some black tights or maybe wear some heels and maybe more of a night out or a date outfit, or I don't know, just for going out or feeling cute. And yeah, it has pockets, so these are my favorite shorts. And then I have this this dress, and I wanted to see what it would look like with this Slipover. This is one of the first thing I made, and maybe with a belt. Mm, I don't know. Do you like it? I think this one you can, like, if you wear some heels, is a super cute date outfit, and then if you maybe wear some sneakers, uh, it can be like a casual, more casual outfit. And again, this is another comfortable for maybe for a more warm day. But I don't know. I'm not really sure. Yeah, this is not something that I usually wear, but I wanted to try the dress and sleepover combo, and I don't know. Let me know. Does this look good? Can I go out with this, or no? I don't know. Mm. This is my huge Jenny sweater, and I usually wear these with my black pants. And yeah, this is the things that I wear the most. And I don't know. Yeah, this sweater is really big for me, but if you want to be cozy and yeah, relaxed, a super big sweater with comfy pants, and you're good to go. And then last but not least, this is one of my favorite pieces I made, and this is my champagne cardigan with this beautiful blouse and this really ruffled collar that I love, and my lilac pants that are too big for me, but I don't know. I look like a big child, but I love this. I love yellow and purple, and yeah, this is, I don't know, it's super fun, and I really like it. I love this color, and yeah. What do you think? Do you like it, or is something ugly for you? Yeah. So this was my last outfit, and let me know if you like these outfits, if they're ugly, if I don't know, how do you style your knitwear? If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe if you want to see more video from me. And check Anna Luisa and their Mother's Day sale with the link in the description below. And I will see you in the next video next week. Bye!